In this video, I will tell you how can you install WordPress on cPanel. So if you buy hosting from hostway.com, so you will receive all the credentials, cPanel, and all other information in your email. So you can get that information from your email and log in into cPanel. So when you log in into cPanel, then if you want to install a WordPress website, then it's very simple. You can in just one click you can install a WordPress. So click on WordPress management, uh, and then in WordPress management, uh, you can see this interface and just click on install WordPress. So it takes some time. Okay, now you can write any title if you want, and you can select each and everything after that. So you can simple copy this username and this password. So you must copy this username and password in a safe place, because due to this username and password you can log in into your WordPress admin area. So you will need to copy this one into a notepad and just click on install button, and in the email if you want to give any email. So now it's take just I think 1 or 2 minutes, and after 1 or 2 minutes you can basically install your WordPress website. So now it's installing, getting database, configuring installation. Now applying on the securing website. Okay, now click on no thank you because you can install plugin option. Okay, now WordPress install. So you can click on basically this is the domain name which you have basically set when you um, order for this hosting. Okay, now you click on this open, and okay, because I have already installed the Python, that's why it says. Okay, let me fix that one because I have already installed the Python. That's why you can see. Otherwise, when you do these steps, you can't see this basically this one. You can just see the WordPress site. Okay, now you can see when you click on this link, then you can see the WordPress install. Okay, now you can go to the admin page. So then you click on wp-admin, then you need to give username and password, which we have copied this one. For example, copy this username and this password, and then you can see you can easily log in on your WordPress website. So this is all. Thank you.